are 3 animals that purely survive by sacrificing others. First is the honey guide, as they'll scan their territory for a honey badger and lure him to a beehive with its calls. Once they arrive, the honey badger will attack the beehive, getting targeted by the bees. And while the bees are being distracted, the honey guide gets a safe path to eat the wax and honey. Next is the octopus. When they're being hunted, swimming away isn't an option since most predators are way faster. Instead, they'll grab any animal around them and throw it as distraction, giving them a chance to escape, sometimes even using it as a shield. But worst is the raven. When they spot a weak or wounded animal, they scan the area for wolves. Once they find a pack, they'll start making sounds leading them to the weakling. So while the wolves attack the prey, the rave gets all of the leftovers.